Good morning, family. You want to take a look at this? Look. Can you see that? It's snowing again. So guess what? Guess who stayed home from work today? Yours truly. Because I am not about to go out in this snow. And it's really sad because look, yesterday it was about, it felt like 60. It wasn't 60 degrees, but it was about definitely 50 degrees. Yeah. And today it's freaking snowing. Like, really? Really? So I stayed home today and I'm going to stay in my pajamas. I have a couple of videos to upload for you guys. Yeah, I'm a little behind. Just a little behind on my videos. But I have my FabFitFun box, and that's what I'm going to do now. And I also have an empties video that I need to upload today. So I'm going to do that as well and enjoy my day off. This is what being off on a Monday looks like in jammies. All right, so here goes the fab. Okay, so I'm back. All right. I've had this box now for, I'd say about a week and a half, maybe. So this is the spring box, FabFitFun's spring box. And I'm so excited. I just opened it and kind of glanced at the things, but I didn't really look at the things. All right, so we're gonna open this up together. If I can open it up. My goodness. I got my spring flannel jammies on. It's kind of springy, right? I have got some flowers. It's green. And I woke up with this monstrosity on my face. Like, what the? What? How old am I? Really? You know, I was thinking of maybe, I don't know, it's just me thinking of maybe creating a beauty channel so that I can show you, like, you know, the things that I use for makeup, how I remove my makeup, you know, things of that nature. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know down below. It's just a thought. Don't get crazy now. All right, so this is what it looks like once it's opened. All right. And of course it has, and I love this little magazine that it comes with, because the last magazine that that we received, I put it on the fridge because it had like a calendar, and it told you like really nice things to do for each week. Like I paid someone's food. It said, oh man, and I got rid of it, but the last one said something like, be nice, you know, be kind to someone or something like that, and you know, do something nice for someone, something like that. So I paid someone's meal at a D&D. That's pretty freaking awesome, right? They were really happy. They were really happy. Almost kind of emotional, because there's not a lot of kind people out there in the world anymore, you know? Pretty sad. All right, so I don't know if this one has it, but you know, it just tells you the things that, can you see that? So the things that are inside the box, and just like newsletters and stuff like that. How to apply makeup. Pretty awesome. I really like this. I really like this magazine, and I do look at it. All right, it also comes with a coupon, Cook Up a Fresh Start, 50% off. I've never tried that. I don't think I will, because, you know, I don't eat meat and stuff, so I don't know. I would have to look into, I don't know. I don't think it's like vegan or anything like that, but. And it says, another little card, it says, we're so excited for you to dig in and enjoy your spring box. So it has like a little message there for you in regards to the box. Okay, so You open it up, and the first thing that I see are these earrings. And I really don't think I'm gonna wear those. They're a little too much for me. You know, usually at work I'll just wear studs because I can't wear things like this unless I go out. But even if I go out, I don't think I'm ever gonna wear these. So I'll put these to the side. Oh, they come pierced. That's pretty cool. I'll probably put these to the side and just add them to my giveaway, which is coming up soon. I will probably do a 300 subscriber giveaway because people, for whatever reason, I can't get there. Why? I think I'm cool. You think I'm cool? I think I'm nice. Think I'm nice? I think my content is all right. Anyway, so I think that'll be coming up. So I'll just set those to the side. The next thing is from Ish, Lip Statement Palette. Oh, and I've seen other YouTubers receive this. And this is pretty awesome. Oh, looks like it comes in a little package like this. It's all, let's see if I can open this up. Oh, this is pretty. The last one came with like an eyeshadow. The last box came with like an eyeshadow palette. And it looked just like this too. Looks like that. Let me see. Oh, this is pretty. So I'm going to have to play around with this. And it comes with a little brush that you can add your lippy to. So that's pretty nice. Those colors are really pretty. Colors are really pretty. So I'm going to have fun with that. The next thing is from Rachel Pally. Let's see what this is. This is cute. It comes in cute little baggy packaging. That's cute. It's really nice and creative. So what is this? Oh, this is, so it's like a little clutch, and it folds, and you can just get, oh, I'm definitely gonna be using this. This is really pretty, but look at those colors. Isn't that pretty? It's very springy. And a little tassel on top. Look at the zipper, it has a little tassel. This is nice. You can put anything in here. Oh, and it even has like, I don't know if you can see. This is pretty freaking awesome. I love this bag. It has like a, oh, let me pull it out. Like a divider inside where you can, it's like a pocket where you can just put things in here. That's really nice. So it goes inside. I love this. I love it. I love it. Really happy with that. And you can like kind of clean it because this is like leather. Oh, I'm in love with that. So happy. All right, and the next thing is, says from Free People and Understated. So I am assuming that this is like a mask. Now, can you cool it? Because if you can, this will be everything in the summertime. All right, put this around my whole body because, you know, me and my flashes. Oh, so it has like a, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh, it has gold and silver stars with a gray background. It's pretty easy to wipe. And in the back it has, oh look, it has an opening. So it's like a gel. And you can definitely cool this in the oh my God, I love this. I really love this. And you can cool it and just, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I'm really happy with that. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Awesome. So far, I'm really happy. Okay, the next item is from Murad. I've heard of them before. And this is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. So I guess this is just a lotion that you apply. Looks like that. Right? After you wash your face or something. And look at the size of this, people. This is a nice size. Decent size. Right? Skin Perfecting Lotion. Smells like nothing. That's good. Awesome. This is really nice. I can't even begin. It says lightweight oil-free moisturizer. Provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. I'll be using that like right about now. Oh, I'll start using that. Tonight. As soon as possible. And the next item is Dove exfoliating body polish. I've never knew that. I've never seen this before. From Dove. Crushed macadamia and rice milk. Oh, of course I've never seen it before because it's new. So, how do you use? So, in shower or bath, you scoop a generous amount of body polish with your hand. Spread all over body in a circular motion and rinse. Oh, that is freaking amazing. And it looks like it has some types of beads in it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to start using all this. And the next item is from Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. So this is probably like a primer, I'm assuming. Oh no. Sorry. This is for your nails. This is for your nails. So it's a ridge filler. Keratin. It has keratin in it. Moisture magnet. I don't even know. This is a nail polish? This is a nail polish. It's kind of light, but it's pretty. It's like a pearl. Oh my goodness. I can't even open it. Okay, I can't open it. But it's pretty in color. You can see. That's nice. That's a nice neutral. It's nude. Oh, and in the box, it has, if you can see that, a 20% off Ulta coupon. Look at that. 2 prizes in 1. Are you kidding me? And the box says, here's a little something extra special for you. Look at that. Can you see that? Freaking amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy right now. The next item is from Briogeo. These names are something else. Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Oh, that's great. That's great. Oh, and it smells like coconut. Yeah, that's really nice. So I guess you put this on, like after you wash your hair, you put this on and then you'll blow dry your hair. It's really nice because I use these types of products. And right now, one of the YouTubers, Angie in Wonderland, she made a video a while back showing products that she uses and how she curls her hair. I think she blow dried it, and then the products that she puts in her hair, and they're from L'Oreal. And let me tell you something, and Angie, if you watching, girl, I am hooked on those products. So she uses a baby detangler, right, first. Then she detangles her hair. Then she used these L'Oreal products, and one was a cream. And it's for, okay, I'm just rambling. They are freaking amazing. And actually one of them is in my empties, I do believe. So I'll talk more about that, but thank you, Angie. You know, and when I went and just got my hair done recently, my hairdresser, she's such a sweetheart. She says, because when you dye your hair, it tends to dry out faster. She says, what have you been putting in your hair lately? I says, well, I use sulfate-free. I do. I use sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. If you want, I can show you guys what I use. This is why I'm saying I need to, beauty channel people, hello. And then I told her the products that I use. She goes, well, whatever you're doing, keep doing it, because your hair has less tangles now, because I have very fine hair. It's a lot of hair, but I have very fine hair. Actually, my hair used to be down to my rear, and I just cut it a few years back. And this is a little long for me, but whatevs. She said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it, because it's helping your hair. Thank you, Angie. Thank you, girl. You saved my hair. All right, the next product, this is the second to last. Oh, I was a little tote like this. That's cute because you can use this to, you can use this for anything. You can use this to put your stuff in your bag or travel. This will be perfect for travel. Okay, what's in here? So this is a KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. I use lip scrubs. I've never, ever used a lip mask. And they gave me 1, 2, 3, are you serious right now? 5 lip masks? This is freaking awesome. I got 5 of these. Oh, I have to try these. I'm probably gonna try these tonight. If you guys are interested in any of these products and you want to see me like use them or you want me to review them, let me know down below because I will be more than happy to. All right, and the last item is, oh my, this is great. I already know what this is. And I love the color. Look at the color. This is a massage roller. Serious results, serious relief from Physique. And it says free 2-month trial. It says visit in the website, enter promo code. Oh, I'll list this down below for you guys if you're interested. Physique 57 now offers barre classes. Oh, barre, I'm sorry. Barre classes on demand. Shut up. It says see results in just 8 workouts. Oh, I'm gonna have to try that. So this is what it looks like. And what you do is that you pass it like on your back and stuff like that. Oh, this is gonna feel so good. I am so happy and the color is beautiful. So that is it for my box. I am happy with all of these products. I can't say anything negative about one. I really can't. Well, the only thing that I won't be using are those earrings. But they're pretty. I've seen people wear them. They look nice. But they won't work for me because I'm not interested. But I am so happy with everything else. Alright, so that's it for this video. I will probably upload a couple more videos. And don't be surprised if you still see me in my jammy jams. Don't worry, I bathed. Just in case. But yeah, so enjoy the rest of your day. And I see you guys later. Bye.